iPhone emergency tip number 2. I would say this is probably the easiest one of all to use, and it allows you to quickly send your location to anyone that you want. And this is really handy if you're in a situation where you want somebody to know your location quickly. And all you do is basically take your phone out and you're going to just click on the Maps button. Instead of clicking on it, I want you to hold down on the Maps button. And when you do this, it'll give you a quick menu option of send your location to somebody. As soon as you click send, if you keep somebody stored or a few people stored in your emergency contacts, they'll come up right away, and then you simply click their name. So it's really a two-step process. Hold down on the Maps key, pick who you want, and it sends your location right away. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button right there. And also, here's a playlist that'll make you an iPhone expert right away. And as always, thanks for watching. Make it a great day.